Hello guys, in this video we will do some questions from checkpoint examination style questions. So there are some easy questions that you should never miss and never miss those marks. So like here we have write down 3/5 as a decimal. So that means this is 3 divided by 5. So 3 divided by 5. So decimal here. So then we can put 0, 5 times 6 is 30. So final answer is 0.6. Right. Next question that we are taking here is work out the value of square root 49 plus 6 square. Now square root of 49 is 7 because 7 times 7 is 49 and 6 square is 36. Right. So this is 43. So you see these are like free marks. So you should never miss these kind of questions. Another question that we have here, simplify these expressions. So we need to collect the like terms. So like term here is this 9 and 4, x and x, then this for y. So 9x minus 4x. I can write it down here, 9x minus 4x, then plus 2y minus 8y, right? So 9 minus 4 it is 5x. And 9 is greater and 9 has positive sign, so it will remain positive. Again here this and this, so we have two different numbers with different signs. So we will subtract 8 minus 2 is 6 y, and the sign of 8 is negative and 8 is greater than 2, so sign of the answer is negative. So it is 5x minus 6y, right? Now this one here 3 plus 2. Now you need to multiply. So step by step, this 2 will be multiplied to this. 2 times 5 is 10x. Then there is negative sign. 2 times 6 it is 12. Now like terms, 10x, there is no other term of x. So 12 minus 3 it's 9 and 12 is greater. It has negative sign, so it will be negative. So 10x minus 9. Now here we have another question from probability. Mike throws ordinary 6-sided dice and spins a coin at the same time. One possible outcome is 4 and a tail. Work out the total number of outcomes. Now you see when you throw a dice, it is going to give you outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And if you throw a coin, you will get head and tail. So that means the outcomes are going to be 1h, 2h, 3h, 4h, 5h, 6h. Actually, there is no need to write down this because he is asking you how many total number of possible outcomes. So I'm just explaining this. Then this one will be 1t, 2t, 3t, 4t, 5t, 6t. So here he has given like 4 and a tail. 4 and tail is here. So how many possible outcomes are here? You see this is 6 times 2, that is 12. Now again we have one question here. So you see these kind of questions you need to think before you do, because if you do here 4.5 square times 2 square, that means mostly the students will do here 4.5. Usually students do 4.5 times 4.5. So that means you are going to multiply. But don't do this. So I will show you the easiest method. So here you see this power is 2. So we can write it down like this. Is that okay? So because that means this is 4.5 square, 2 square. Now 4.5 times 2 is 9.0, right? And square. 9 square is 81. You see, with a small trick you can make it easy, otherwise you will be lost in the calculations. Okay. Now here we have another question. You see 28 times 16 plus, it is separated by plus, then 14 times 16 over 14. So if you see 16 is common, this is first term, this is second, 16 is common, so we can take out 16 here, times inside we have 16 plus 14, right, over 14. So 16 times 16 plus 14, 30 over 40. Now we can simplify as much as it is possible. So 4 times we can do it by 2, 2 times 8 and 2 times 7. So we have here 8 times 3, 240 over 7, right? So we can write down this as a mixed fraction. Sorry guys, I think I have made mistake here. When you take out 16, we are left with here 28. I was thinking why it's not coming the way it should come. 28, so 28 plus 14, 42, right? So this is going to be, let me rewrite this one here. So 16 times 42 over 14. 14 times 3 is 42, 16 times 3 is 48. You know, sometime when the answer is not coming in proper way, that is a clue that you are doing something wrong, so you can recheck. So I have here 72 times 10 power 5 and 10 power minus 6. Now base is same, so we have x power m, rules of exponent. So when there is a multiplication sign, we add the powers, right? So 10 power 5 plus minus 6. So that is 72 times this 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So 70, 10 over power 10 power minus 1 is 1 over 10. So that means 7.2. Another question from exponents we have here. Draw a line to match each calculation to the correct value. 7 times 7 power 2. So you see base is same. So we are going to add the power. 0 plus 2, that is 7 power 2. 7 power 2 is here. So 7 power 0 is 1. 7 power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So anything raised to power 0 is 1. So here we have division sign. So we will subtract the powers. So 6 minus 2, it is 4. So 7 power 4. So this is 7 power 2 plus 1. Here we have 1. So 7 power 3. So this goes with this. Right? So 1, we have 4 here and 5 here. So that's how you will make this calculation.